Hey, it's Tuesday, which means these are Tuesday tips and tutorials. My name is Emmanuel Osaseri, your online personal trainer and wellness coach. And today I'm gonna go over 5 tips on how you can get into the habit of grocery shopping and also meal prepping. Tip number 1, realize how much money you're actually saving by going grocery shopping versus buying fast food. For instance, if my Monday through Friday groceries cost me $50 for my meals throughout the week, that's gonna be a lot cheaper than spending $8 to $10 per meal on fast food. Tip number 2, establish a shopping and a cooking day. For me, this works better if it's the same day, but feel free to choose any day that you would like that's more suitable to your regular schedule. Tip number 3, shop by what you eat. Healthy foods don't have to mean nasty foods. Choose the foods that you feel are more sustainable for you throughout the course of a journey and that you're likely to eat at least day to day, if not week to week. You can also take some of the foods that you like to eat, whether it's pasta or chicken breasts. You can search online some recipes that are catered to those specific foods. Tip number 4, try and shop around the outer aisles of your grocery stores, and that's going to keep you in a more healthy based mindset. Try and find at least 2 to 3 items along the outer aisles that you can incorporate along your regular diet. And tip number 5, don't forget to shop for your snacks for the week. Healthy snack alternatives such as seeds, rice cakes, fruits, nuts, even low salt popcorn in moderation. These are the snacks that can keep you away from the vending machine at work. And guys, that's it. You now have 5 tips on how to grocery shop and meal prep effectively. As usual, I had a blast making this video for you guys. Don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment, tap that subscribe button, and let's do this again sometime.